Alright, y'all, we're finna clean the back of these wheels. I already got this one sprayed down. I just got some wheel acid that I'm spraying on them. And we're gonna spray them down good with this wheel acid, and then we're gonna scrub them, and we're gonna spray them again, and we're gonna rinse them down, and they should be a lot better. Y'all hear all this, Dad? You think I got kids? I do. Let me go see what they want. The fronts don't look as bad. They're pretty clean. But we still gonna go ahead and scrub them down just to get all that out of the creases and crevices. We're gonna spray them down with some wheel acid. Let them soak for a minute. And got the wheel acid on there. Just start on the outside of this wheel. I'm just scrubbing with this old bottle brush or something that my wife threw away. Can't throw away no brushes around here. I'll snatch them up and clean something with them, and then just go around the inside of the wheel and you'll start seeing that stuff break loose. First one we did on the back side. I'm gonna show y'all how good the back cleans up. Apparently, you can see some spots I missed scrubbing apparently, but you see how clean it's coming. Spray it down and do it again here in just a minute. And get all that grime out of there. Has some pretty wheels inside and out. Probably be a wise idea to scrub your front side of your wheels before you do the back side. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna get them dirty. Scrub them off. Now look, y'all. You really want to wear some gloves because this acid you're fooling with will burn your hands bad. It's burning me right now. And you need to wear safety glasses as well. Maybe even a respirator or some kind of mask because the fumes are not great either. And scrub all the little creases and crevices and get all that brake dust and road grime out of there. And it'll help your fuel mileage. Maybe. I'll show y'all this one as well. It seems to be going a little better. A little satisfying to watch all that dirt just rinse off. Y'all be sure to check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how y'all clean y'all wheels up. We'll see y'all next time. It got dark on me, so I had to bring them up under the carport to show y'all. Don't pay attention to the leaf debris on the tire. That ain't what we're trying to clean right now. But this is the end result that we got after that acid scrub. You could go a little further if you wanted to on the back side. Get a little cleaner if you wanted to. But I'm tired. I'm out of breath. You hear me? Y'all check out my other videos. Later.